In this video, I'm going to show you how to install third-party apps in LG Smart TV. Now, make sure you just go to your settings in your Smart TV and make sure to allow the apps from unknown source and turn that on so that you could install some apps not inside in Play Store but in any other apps also. And you can see that in the picture in my screen. Now, after that, once you have turned that on, you should go to your you should go and install the downloader. And as you can see in my screen, you could install this in any apps. And after that, as you can see this, you could search this in the downloader and just copy the link or download Uptoid TV in here so that this Uptoid TV would automatically install it in your TV. As you can see, download Uptoid TV, and you could do it by from browser through USB or via Wi-Fi. And you should connect it with via Wi-Fi and make sure that the internet is connected also in the TV. And once that's done, as you can see, you could follow these instructions, and that's it.